Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to the PHP tutorial part 3, and in this video we're gonna talk about integer and float. So, integer is a non-decimal number like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. There are rules for integer. Firstly, an integer must have at least one digit. Secondly, an integer must not have a decimal point. And an integer can be either positive or negative. Let's have an example. Perhaps we have a variable called num_1 and it's stored 20. And let's create another variable called num_2 and it's equal to 15. Now, the data type of these two variables is integer, as they store number with no decimal. We can do some mathematical operations on integer like plus, minus, modulus, multiplication, and division. Well, let's have an example. Let's say a equals to num_1 plus num_2, and then b equals to num_1 minus num_2, and then c equals to num_1 modulus num_2, and then d equals to num_1 multiplies num_2, and then e equals to num_1 divided by num_2. And let's print that on the browser. Let's say echo a, let's have a line break and put a dot after the variable and type double quotes br, and then echo b dot br, and do the same for the rest. Let's just copy this. Save that and reload the browser. There you go. You can see that the browser displays 35, 20 plus 15 is 35, and then 5, 20 minus 15 is 5, and another 5 as the result of modulus operation, and 300, 20 multiplies 15 is of course 300, and 1.3 as the result of division operation. Now, what if the number has a decimal point? If a number has a decimal point, then the type of the data is float, not integer. So, integer is a number with no decimal, while float is a number with decimal. Suppose we have a variable float_1 and it stores 14.5, and then float_2 equals to 13.7. Then the data type of these two variables is float, as they store number with no decimal. We can also do some mathematical operations on float just like we did on integer. We can do plus, minus, modulus, multiplication, and division. Let's do the same as we did on integer. And then let's print those on the browser. Let's just comment out this. And let's just copy this. Save that and reload the browser. There you go. The browser now displays the new results. Alright, I think that's enough for now. We'll talk about other data types in another video. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys find this channel really helpful, please don't forget to click on subscribe and give your a thumbs up. We'll see you in the next video.